Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can unlock any of the Samsung tablet using one simple trick. So many of the time what happen is when we put a very difficult password and we forgot to remember that password. So you can do one thing and get your device working again. So first of all, you got the power of the device. In the latest version you can't able to power off without the putting in any of the patterns, so we can simply use this trick. We got a power off button and volume down button together, and it's gonna be power off soon. You gotta hold it until it got power off. So it got power off now. Now we gotta press volume and volume up button and power on button until you see this recovery mode. So this is called Android recovery mode. In this thing you got reboot system, you got reboot to bootloader. In this thing we have to do wipe data and factory reset. You can simply got the access using volume up button and volume down button. So we got a and enter. It's just confirming that you wanna write down all the data. Just simply say yes and wait for the magic to be happen. And now just reboot the system now again. Just taking time to restart it because we wiped down all the data, so this device might be start from the beginning. So as you can see, it's already started. You simply have to start setting up, agree to all options. It's not a brand new iPad, that's why it's really slow. We just simply say skip for now. Skip up everything. Accept. Skip anyway. I just like dark screen, that's why I just selected that dark screen. So now you can access your iPad, oh sorry, tablet. So this is how you unlock when you forgot your password. There are multiple different ways as well. This is not the only way that you can access. You can contact definitely Samsung, but it's gonna be taking time. If you don't have important data inside, I probably recommend this idea and this thing to be happen when you forgot any of the password. Thank you for your watching, and like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.